hollow is small, hidden behind dogwoods, and a curve in the road that only locals know. White church sits by the creek, its bell rope frayed but faithful. Inside the pews creak with every prayer ever spoken there. During the Great War they sent sons from this hollow to France. During the next to the Pacific, the women waited, baked bread, and sang "The creek still runs behind the church," shallow, laughing at stones. On Sunday mornings, sunlight cuts through stained glass and turns dust into gold. Antioch hollow is proof that holiness doesn't need grandeur, only gratitude and a little water running through forever. Antioch hollow is small, hidden behind dogwoods, and a curve in the